Hello,
Hello.
Sourish. Hello, Dr. Karthi.
Yeah, hi. Matthew, how are you?
Doing well. Thanks for scheduling. What are we going to work on today?
We're gonna be working on polynomials or something.
Okay, polynomials. Any
That's how you say it?
pol
Polynomials?
polynomials, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you guys carry on. I'll come at the end of the meeting. Okay, thank you.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Sourish, I need just a little bit more information from you. Do you remember anything from class that you were working on?
Is it for Sourish?
Yeah, Sourish, what else? What in regards to polynomials have you been working on?
I need to find my page in here, then I can be ready. I just need to find it.
Sure.
Subtracting polynomials.
Okay, so I heard adding and subtracting polynomials. We can definitely start with that. Do you know if you've been multiplying polynomials?
No, I just don't know.
Just adding and subtracting. Okay, we will start there, and we will see how clear it is, and then move on from there. So just like last time, I'm going to share my screen, and I would encourage you to take notes, but I'll send this to you at the end with a in the email. So let's look at something like this. What is 2x plus 3x plus 4y plus 5y? Is that something like you were looking at in class?
Well, we're gonna be doing that very soon that we're doing it this
Okay,
week.
sure. So let's just look at these first two.
Okay.
2x plus 3x. How many x's do I have if I have 2 here and 3 here?
Wait, what is it?
Well, I have 2 of them here and 5 of them here. I'm sorry, 3 of them here. So how many do I have total? I actually just gave you the answer. 5x.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this one. Let's see how this goes. What is 4y plus 5y? If you have 4 of something and then 5 of something, how many do you have together?
Five. Okay, so 5x. So 5x and then 9y.
9y, exactly. Okay, let's try another one here. Let's see, you have 2x minus 4x plus 3y minus 6y.
Oh wait, that is wait. 5x plus 9y is the answer.
Yes, yes.
That's okay.
I'll talk about that if that's unclear. But yeah, I was hoping to move on to another example here just to see.
Okay.
Because here's the truth. You cannot combine these. These are not the same.
Not the same.
Because one has x and one has y.
Mm.
Like if you were going to the grocery store and you were to have 5 apples and 9 oranges, can you somehow combine them?
No, you can't combine them.
I mean, we can use another word. We could say like 14 fruits, but it's 5 apples and 9 oranges.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So on the so in this new problem here, let's look at this new problem here. 2x minus 4x.
Yeah. All right. Okay. 2x minus 4x.
So another way to look at this is like, what is 2 minus 4
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x, right? And how about 3y minus 6y? What is 3?
Negative 3y.
Right, negative 3y. Now this is your final answer because you can't combine these because this is x and this is y.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, so I'm gonna be a little more deceptive, a little more difficult here. Let's go 3x minus y plus 2x plus 4y. Now, do you,
Okay.
now I'm going to tell you this, the parentheses are not needed. These are not needed. The reason they're not needed is because there's a plus sign here and there's nothing here, but we assume it's plus.
Okay. All right.
Now that might be new. So we can essentially drop the parentheses, drop the parentheses.
So plus 3x negative y plus 2x plus 4y.
Right. Now, we generally don't put a plus in front here, but you absolutely can do that if it's clearer for you. Now, notice that in this problem I just gave you, the x's are separated.
Okay, the x's are separated because
Because
the y.
the y is kind of the way, but you combine the ones that are common. So this is really 3x plus 2x. Do you see that? No? Is that unclear?
I can see it. I can see it.
Okay, so what is 3x plus 2x?
Well, it's 5.
5 what?
5x.
Good. Now this negative goes with the y. So this is minus y plus 4y. So these together, it's minus y plus 4y.
Negative 4y.
But there's one here, isn't there? Negative 1 here.
Yeah.
So
Oh, wait, it is negative 5, right?
You have negative 1 and then you add 4 to it. So you owe your friend $1 and then you have $4 now. So you give him 1 and then how many do you have left over?
3.
3. So plus 3, what goes here? Y. 3y, because you're combining them.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna just give you a few more examples here. 5x minus 2y plus 3x plus 4y.
Okay.
Which terms can you combine? And that's what you have to be able to do. You have to say, oh, 5x and 3x, those go together.
Okay. Okay. So so this is adding and subtracting.
Well, you want to combine the x's first.
Yeah, I know. So yeah. Okay.
What is 5x plus 3x?
5x plus 3x. Okay, yeah, I know that. It's 8x.
8x. Okay, and now you got minus 2y plus 4y.
Yeah. Negative 2y plus 4y.
So what does that equal?
2y.
Yes, plus 2y. Good. All right, so let's do another one here.
All right. Yeah, that's the same. I know that.
Okay, go ahead and try it on your own.
All right.
How are you doing on this one?
I'm doing good.
Do you have a final answer for me?
Yeah. 3x plus 3y.
Excellent, excellent. All right, so let's look at something related, but not the same. Let's say I told you that someone said 2x squared plus 3x, and let's just leave it like that.
Okay.
I want you to start by seeing that this is x squared and this is x, and these are not the same.
Okay.
Do you believe that? Do you agree with that?
So that's a little different, right?
Right, but these, you cannot combine these, cannot combine.
Okay. It's in standard form, right?
It's good. It's actually in descending standard form. Very good.
And it has to have the leading coefficient.
It does. It does. But here's where I'm going with this, because I want to make sure you've got this down. Let's say it's 2x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 5x squared. Which of these can you combine? And I'm going to help here. You can combine this one and this one because they're both x squareds.
Okay. All right, so we have to combine them.
Well, yeah, we have to combine those two, 2x squared minus 5x squared.
2x squared minus 5x squared.
Exactly.
Negative 3x.
Negative 3x squared, right? Negative 3x squared. It's got to have the same thing there. Now, the other ones are both x's.
Okay.
Which means they can be combined.
All right. Okay.
Let's try that. So what is 3x minus 4x?
3x minus 3x minus 4x, right?
Right. Or more generally, what is 3 minus 4? And then you put an x with it.
Okay. Negative 1x.
Yes, minus 1x. Perfect. Okay, so you understand how to do that. Let me try just one more here. I'm going to try to throw something a little bit harder at you, but we'll see if you get it. 3x minus 4y plus x squared minus y squared minus 2y squared plus 8y minus 3x squared minus 4x.
Do we have to combine like terms?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
great.
So this is a test to see, like, can you visually see the like terms? And I'll help if you need me to, but that's what I'm hoping you can do here.
Okay.
Do you want to try this on your own, or do you want some help?
I need some help.
Okay. So
let me just write that question. Let me just write that numbers you wrote down right there, the question, and I will be ready.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to do this in colors. Do you see that 3x goes with minus 4x?
Yeah. All right. Okay. So that will be you have to subtract.
Okay. What is 3x minus 4x?
3x minus 4x, negative 1x.
That's right, negative 1x. Okay. Now we go to the next term, minus 4y, positive 8y. So again, that negative or the subtraction operator or the plus goes with the one to the right.
Okay.
So what does that become?
So negative 4y plus 8y, right?
Yep. What does that become? What is negative 4 plus 8?
Negative 4 plus 8. 4.
Okay. So plus 4y. Okay. Now we're going to do x squared and minus 3x squared. Actually on the left here, let me circle that. So what is x squared minus 3x squared?
So 4x squared minus, so 4, so wait, what are you saying?
Well, the green ones, you can see the green, right?
Yeah,
X squared minus 3x squared. What does that become?
x squared minus 3x squared.
Yes.
Negative 3x squared.
But there's one over here, isn't there?
Oh, yeah. Negative 2x squared.
Good. Okay, last one here. You got minus y squared minus 2y squared.
Yeah.
So that means it's minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2.
Okay. All right.
I'm waiting on you. I'm asking you to do this.
Okay. The negative 1, so negative 1y2 minus 2y2. Okay. got it.
Yes. What is that?
Yeah. Negative 1 y squared.
Minus 2y squared. What's the total?
Mhm.
You owe, it's the same as minus 1 minus 2.
Yeah.
So it's like this. It's like you owe someone $1 and then you also owe them $2. How much do you owe them now?
One.
Well, no way. So if you were to hand me $1, right? This is me and this is you. And then so I have $1. Now you transfer me $2 more. So how many do I have? 3, but from your perspective, it's minus 3 because you owe. So it's minus 3y squared.
Okay.
Okay, let's just spend a little time on that
Oh,
concept.
wait, go back up.
Okay.
Okay. So wait, negative 1 minus negative 2, you're saying?
Well, you got to be careful here. It's minus 1 minus 2. What you said is something different. Minus 1 minus a minus 2 it changes. So let's just come down here and look at this. Minus 1 minus 2. This next one is minus 1 minus a negative 2. Do you see how they're different?
Oh, I didn't know.
Do you see the difference though between these? That's what I'm making sure you've got down. Do you see that they both have same, but now this is negative 2 and this is 2.
Okay.
You
All
see the
right.
difference? Because the one on the left is negative 3. The one on the right becomes negative 1 plus 2, which is positive 1.
Hmm.
Do you see that? Maybe.
I can see it.
Okay, let's try a few more of those because this you got to get this down. So let's just do a few here. What is 9 minus 7?
9 minus 7, it's 2.
It's 2. What is negative 9 minus 7?
9 minus 7. I know that it's 2. It's 2 again.
Well, they're both the same sign. So it's kind of like adding. It's kind of like adding.
2, negative 2.
It's not need none of those. When it's the same sign like this, you add the numbers and then you keep the sign.
Okay. So wait, so 9 minus 7 equals 2, right?
Yes.
All right. And negative 9 minus 7, right?
Yes.
That equals negative 16.
Yes. So let me show you.
Okay. I get it. Okay.
Okay. What is minus 2 minus 3?
Minus 2 minus 3. 5.
It is not 5. It is something different. So let me try to help here. Where is minus 2 in the number line? It's right there. Do you agree? You go left 2.
Mm-hmm.
So minus 3 means you're going to go left 3. So this means left 2, left 2, or left 3. Sorry, left 2, left 3. So we got to go left 3 more.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try another one here. 3 plus 2 is 5. Because you're going right 3, and then you're going right 2. So like if this is 0, you're going right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you go 2 more.
Okay.
You follow that?
Hmm.
3 minus 2 means you're going right 3 and then left 2.
Wait. Oh wait. Right 3. Wait. Wait. Right 3. Wait. Is it? Wait. Nothing. Okay. Maybe. Okay.
That's the right 3, and then that's right 2 more. But this 3 minus 2 means you're going right 3. 1, 2, 3. But then you're going left 2, so you're going back 2. Do you see that?
Okay.
So this is 1. Is that helping, or is it still confusing?
Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm knowing.
Okay. Let's try another one here. What is minus 4 minus 3? And again, minus 4 means you're going left 4 from 0. And then minus 3 means you're going left 3. So you're always going left, right? So if you start at 0 and you go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. And then you go left 3, 1, 2, 3. Where are you at now?
Okay.
Do you see that that's negative 7?
Yeah. I think. Yeah. It's a left.
Left.
Because it's negative.
We're trying something different. We're trying to say, like, does it help to think of it in terms of like lefts and rights? And I don't know. That's why I'm trying to to do it. Money is also a good one to do for this.
Okay.
What is negative 4 plus 5? So
Plus
negative 4 means to go left 4, but then 5 means to go right 5.
Okay.
So if I start here at 0 and I go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's -4. Do you see that? I went left 4. Now I got to go right 5.
Wait, oh, is there no answer for -4 plus 5?
Well, there is, but I'm trying to show you how you get the answer visually.
It's 1.
It is 1, but let me just show you here. You're going right 5. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go right 5. Right, and I'm back to 1. So
Yeah.
what is 5 minus 4?
5 minus 4.
Yeah. So you're going 5. You're going
So
right.
5 minus 4, it is 1, so it goes at the left.
Well, it's right 5, and then it's left 4.
Okay.
So you start at 0 again. You start at 0 right here, but this time you go right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 5. But then you come back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So you get back right where you started, which is 1.
Oh.
Okay, so we're not making great progress in this, but let's do some other stuff here because I want to.
Okay. Oh, well, I think I'm knowing.
Well, what we're trying to accomplish here is, can you like add and subtract variables quickly, which is needed here, but we're going to move to something else. So let's say I put a negative on the outside of 4x minus 3y.
I need to. Okay.
Do you recall from class that this negative
Oh, God.
distributes?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you know that this distributes, this becomes negative 4x plus 3y. Do you see that?
Okay.
Because this 4x was positive. How do we know it was positive? Well, if nothing's written, it's positive, and nothing is written. Well, now there is, but if it was negative, it would show that. So let's say I give you a problem over here to the right. Negative 3x plus 2y. What does this become when you distribute the negative into both of these? Is 3x positive or negative? That's one of the things you should be thinking about.
Positive or negative?
It's positive, right? Right now it's positive.
Yeah, it's positive. It's
So
positive.
this negates it. So this becomes negative 3x. Is 2y positive or negative in here? It's positive, right?
Mhm.
So it becomes negative, minus 2y.
Okay.
I'm sensing maybe that's
Okay,
not clear.
I think it's because you're switching the positive to a negative and then
Exactly.
negative positive.
Exactly. Switch negative to positive, positive to negative. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Okay, now here's how you're going to use this. 4x minus 5y minus 3x plus 2y. So this is a problem that you might see.
Okay, yeah.
So on the left side, is there a negative out here in front? What's written out front here?
4x minus 5y minus 3.
What's out here?
Negative.
Nothing. There's nothing here.
Nothing?
Nothing. So when there's nothing, you don't have to, you can drop the parentheses. But here in the middle, there's a subtraction symbol. So what does that do? Well, you have to distribute that to both of these. Do you see that from previous problems? So this becomes minus 3x minus 2y. Because these were positive and now they're negative. Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yeah, it is clear. Is it clear?
Okay. Okay. So now are we done? No, we're not done, because you can combine like terms. Like you can combine the 4x and the minus 3x. What does that become?
Okay.
What is 4x minus 3x?
4x minus 3x. Okay. I know that it is. It's -7.
It's just 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3.
1.
1x. Yep.
Okay.
So that becomes 1x. Now what about this minus 5y minus 2y?
I know. -5y minus 2y, right?
Yes.
All right. 3y.
Well, it's minus 5 minus 2.
Oh, wait.
So it's minus 7y.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we gotta get this down. I can't really move past this point. So we're gonna do a few more of these.
All right. I think I'm getting it because of the examples. I think I'm getting it from the examples in the book right here.
But I gotta have you be able to do this correctly. What is 1 minus 3?
1 minus 3 is -2.
Okay. What is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1 equals 2.
What is 5 minus 3?
It's 2.
What is 3 minus 5?
-2.
Okay, now we're gonna go to some harder ones. What is minus 1 plus 3?
-1 plus 3. Oh, all right. Okay. I got it. Okay.
So there's something going on
2.
here. It's 2. You can look at which one's bigger, which one's like further from 0, but okay, let's try to keep going. What is -2 plus 4?
Okay. Got it. Okay. 2.
Okay, what is -4 plus 2?
-2.
Okay. What is -2 plus -1?
-2 plus -1. All right. -2 plus -1. Okay. Yeah. It's 3.
3? Is that your final answer?
Yeah. I think it's just 1 or something.
Well, they're both negative, so shouldn't the final answer be negative?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
-3.
What is -4 plus -3?
Plus -3. It's -7.
What is 4 minus 3?
1.
What is 3 minus 4?
It's 1. It's -1, 2.
What is -4 plus -3?
-4 plus -3. -7.
Good. Okay, let's go back and do a couple more of these. So let's say I tell you it's minus 5x minus 2y minus 3x minus 4y.
Okay.
So the first thing to do here is to recognize that there's no negative sign here. There's no negative sign, and in fact, there's nothing. When nothing's written, it's positive. So that means that these parentheses are not needed. The parentheses are not needed. Okay, but here you have to distribute the negative to both of these. Do you see that?
Okay.
Okay, so on the
All
left
right.
side,
So okay, I'm gonna be doing that problem. So that I'm gonna
Yes.
be doing that problem. Let me just write it and then
you do
just-
that. You do that. I'm going to step aside for about 60 seconds and I'll check back with you.
All right, so I'm ready.
Do you have a final answer or an intermediate answer?
Oh, I thought you're talking about it. I thought you're talking about I have to set up the problem. Sorry about that.
No problem. Did you get this as your setup?
Just I just Hold on a minute. I just need to okay. Okay, let me just I'm gonna be solving it. I'll be back. I'm gonna
Sourish, how are you doing on this one?
yeah, I'm just thinking. I need to think. I'll just keep my microphone on.
Oh, that's okay. You take another minute or two here. See if you
Yeah,
can do it.
yeah. I just need to think. I'm just using the examples.
All right, so let me jump in here. Just want to get through more than this.
All right,
example
I'm
here, a
done.
couple
I got
more.
myself negative 2x plus negative 2y.
So it's negative 8x plus 2y. Okay, so let's go through that.
Wait.
What
hold on.
may help you is if we actually have you start rewriting it like this, where the terms get side by side. I don't know if that will help. These become the minus 8x and these become the 2y.
Okay. So the y you have to multiply with y?
You're adding. We're just adding and subtracting.
All right.
Okay, so let's go back. Let's do one. Let's get some confidence skin here. 2x minus 4x minus 3y minus 5y. So do you see how these are the same terms? 2x minus 4x.
Oh, wait. I think I remember. I remember now.
Okay.
I remember now. It's all thanks to examples. I just remember. Okay. So there we go. All right. I got it now.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, all right. So okay, so we have to subtract. So subtracting polynomials, it is gonna be easy or something.
Well, no, I need you to do this problem. What is 2x minus 4x?
2x minus 4x. Negative 2x.
Very
And
good.
negative 3y minus minus 5y
Yes, is
minus 5y equals
what is this part on the right here? It's really minus 3 minus 5.
2.
It's minus 8y. Okay, so we're having a disconnect. Yeah, I mean, here's the disconnect, sir. It's just like I'm giving you these problems up here and you know how to do them. But as soon as we put an x in front or a y, it becomes confusing. So I need you to just look at the numbers.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's try another one here. 6x minus 4x minus 4y plus 6x. So just look at the numbers. Just look at the numbers. Just focus on the numbers because the answer has an x in it. Yay. What is 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4.
Yes.
6 minus 4, it equals 2.
Yes. You seemed uncertain, but that's okay. Now, over here on the right, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be a y. Over here on the right, what is minus 4 plus 6?
Minus 4 plus 6. All right, yeah. Well, yeah, well, that right there is going to be 2.
Plus 2, right? Good.
Mm.
Okay, let's try another one here. 3x minus 8x plus 4y minus 6y.
All right, yeah. Yeah, I think I know about this. I know how to do this right now.
Well, the answer always has an x in it because there's x and x. You just
Alright,
should look
okay.
at the numbers.
All
3
right,
minus
I'll be telling you the answer when I finish it.
Okay, go for it.
I'm still working.
Okay, do you have a final answer here? If you're talking, you're muted.
All right, I got myself negative 11x plus 2.
So it's negative 5x minus 2y.
I mean negative 11x plus 2y, I was saying.
That's okay. There's something going on here. Don't worry about it. Your dad wanted to speak at the end, so if he's available, could you grab him?
All right, Dad,
Yeah.
come on over here.
So hi Matthew, how did you do?
We're having a little disconnect here with him. He did great in overall in the lesson, but I like this is like kind of and you'll understand this. You're seeing my screen still, I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's something going on with Sourish. If I tell him that, if I ask him for what is minus 2, let me do it. Actually, I'm sorry. Let me do it this way. If I ask him like, what is minus 5 plus 3, he knows that that's negative 2. But when I tell him minus 5x plus 3x, he's getting caught up with this x. And even if I tell him, hey, just look at these numbers, there's something going on with him that he just can't distinguish between these two when the other variable is there. So gonna keep working with him on it. He understands more than he's been given credit for, but just noticed that here at the end, for some reason, there's just this disconnect. So we'll keep working on it. Overall today, we worked on adding and subtracting polynomials, and he actually did better in the beginning than towards the end. So I don't know if he got tired or assume he ate. I mean, maybe just, hopefully there's no other variables, going on here tonight. But overall, I thought it was a good lesson and he got through. He really wants to do it on his own. I think there's a little bit of like, I got to do it on my own, and I think he needs to just kind of do a few more examples with me before doing that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we'll keep working on it tomorrow.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
I'll keep filling you in. Is there anything you'd like me to answer?
No, I think better than me. I think you're working with him. He likes you. I think sometimes you're right. He wants to do on its own, but I think he has to give some time to understand and then listen to you and do more examples. That way you'll become more confident.
Yes.
And sometimes it gets confused, but we have to keep repeatedly.
Okay.
So then
Okay.
eventually you will get it.
I'm not telling you anything you don't already know, I'm sure. So just going to keep working with them on this stuff, and the more practice, the better.
Right, exactly. The practice is more important thing. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow 6 again.
Thanks so
All right.
much.
Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome. Have a great night. Bye now.
Yeah.
Good job.